I hope you're ready for the newest model for healthy hydration here. This is our Hydra Luxe, and I want to share with you why I love it so much, and then what's included in our savings bundle pack for your wellness pack. So in this tank, what's great about this is that you don't have to hook it up to a water supply. So you don't have to go out and buy a new sink. You don't have to adjust anything here. You can travel with it very simply by just dumping the container in the back and draining it out. Takes you less than 2 minutes, and you can then travel. Plug it in, put water in it, any kind of water. It has a very robust filtration. It has an RO. And what I love most about this is that with the other system that we had, what our customers did not like about it is you had to dump the tank every time you put water in it because it had the waste. So this is a tankless RO. So it fills about 1.5 gallons here, and you just set it on. And if it does run out, all you do is just put more water in it. It makes it very simple for that. And then it will lock down here. It's got that nice handle. It uses distilled water to make the hydrogen. Why do I love this? How many of you have seen online that it could be potentially dangerous getting water with metals? Well, in this device here, distilled water goes in to make the hydrogen. So what it's doing is making hydrogen the same way an inhalation device makes it. And then what it's doing is it has a UV light that's UV and it infuses that molecular hydrogen into the drinking water. The water you're drinking doesn't come in contact with any metals. So it's very, very powerful in that way. So it's the safest, cleanest water that you can possibly get. Easy to use. It takes less than 10 minutes to set it up. You just put water in it, go through its cleaning cycle, and you are ready. Tells you your filter length here, which it's going to be anywhere from 3 months to 12 months. Well, it depends on how many people are drinking the water. And the filters are also available through Healthy Hydration, and they're very inexpensive. So you have 150 milliliters, 300, and 500. You're looking at about 6 ounces, 10 ounces, and 16 ounces. We can get hot hydrogen water as well. So we've got, 100 degrees Celsius, which is really, 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 really hot. Makes great tea, makes great coffee. It's gonna tell you up here when you're making hydrogen water. It's gonna tell you when you're sterilizing it. It's simple to use, has a child safety button. So go ahead and turn on so you can see it in use. I'll go ahead and show you how it works. So you just go ahead and push the button here and away we go. We have really good flow too, so you don't have to wait and wait and wait for your water. So we'll go ahead and put our beaker in here to the 6 milliliter level, about that. Would be great for any office. So we want about 30 drops. 1, 2, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 30, and it's still able to go. I was able to get 50 last time that I tested this, so I'm not gonna keep us here all day, but as you can see, it's got plenty of hydrogen. Okay, so that's at least 35 drops there, which is really, really great. So that would be 3.5 parts per million. It's rated for 3. So it depends on, the water temperature and lots of other factors. And now for the rest of this wellness pack. If you are interested in being an affiliate, you're gonna get coaching from me for 6 months starting in January, and this pack will qualify you, or you can get the pack that also has a whole house water filter as well. So here's the things that are additional that you're gonna love. First, we're gonna start off with our Hydra Fix tablets, the supplement. This is not putting a pill in water to make the hydrogen. The benefit here is that when you take it internally, this will give your gut, your own microbiome, everything that it needs to make its own hydrogen. Why is that important? Because you want your body doing it. You want to make sure this is lasting in your system for 6 hours. So when you take one of these, it will last up to 6 hours. When you drink the water, it's in and out. This is also great for anyone trying to lose weight. If you want more energy, you want less inflammation, any kind of things that hydrogen is doing, it's getting up to 70 milligrams of hydrogen. So it's a high, 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 high production. So I take this every day, especially before a workout. And then, people are always asking us, well, how do you just stay in shape all the time? And really, I don't work out much, but I do this. This is my routine. So we have the fruits and the greens. This is from Dr. Tony. He is a formulator for companies like Isogenics. And so he formulated these products, and we absolutely love them. They're superfoods from tropical areas, that there's no herbicides, pesticides, fungicides. They are fabulous. They keep you full, because if you're not eating nutrients, your body's depleted and it's constantly craving food. So when you have the protein we'll talk about here, and you have a scoop of greens and a scoop of fruits, you're gonna be full for a very long time. I get about 5 hours out of 150 calories here by the time you add these together, and it's a large volume if you add a little ice, hydrogen ice cubes of course. And then this is the whey protein. So the whey protein is great because it's undenatured whey, meaning it's not been cooked, processed or heated. So the structure is how your body wants to have it. So when you take it in, your body uses it more effectively. So for those of you that are allergic to dairy or whey, most likely you're not. It's because you don't have the right formulation, the right kind. So this is the highest quality that you can get. Really fills you up. So that's included. And then we also have our mood food. This is food for your brain, because as we are out in our daily life, we might have a negative thought. Negative thoughts need negative feelings, and then we get sad, we get depressed, we get the blues, and that causes inflammation. So those hormones of sadness and depression cause inflammation in your body. So we have a happy thought, that's a happy feeling, that's a happy hormone, happy chemical. So now we're in oxytocin, serotonin, we're feeling amazing in your day because we have a happy thought. So we want to make sure our brain is balanced with great thoughts, and this can help you do that. And then we have our spa. This is ageless spa. Every time you're showering, you're gonna feel less age because hydrogen on your skin helps to make collagen. So collagen is anti-aging. It's a great protein. So you definitely want this. Helps to lower the chlorine in your water. Now, as you know, our skin is our largest organ, and as you're soaking up that chlorine, it goes in your body, in your lymphatic system, and then your liver has to process it out, and chlorine is very toxic all around. It can cause lots of skin issues, eczema, psoriasis, acne, dandruff, you name it. We want to get it, we want to lower it and get it out of there. So this will help you do that. Definitely have one of these. And then last but not least, this is our disinfecting spray bottle. This is one of the most used products in my home. Put water in here, a little salt, push the button, hypochlorous acid. 1/3 stronger than bleach, 7 times stronger than hydrogen peroxide. It's not toxic. You could drink it if you had to, but you can use it on any surfaces. You can use it in your countertops, your toilets, your sinks, your mirrors. You can even use it on your skin for things like eczema and acne. Helps to oxidize. Sinus infections, you can snort it. Pink eye, sore throat, you can use it as deodorant. You can use it for foot fungus. This stuff's unreal. Just go to the Google and ask them, what's hypochlorous acid? And you're gonna be like, holy cow, they're charging how much money? The hospitals are buying mycin, the veterinarians using Vetricin, and all it is this with a stabilizer in it. And they're getting up to $300 a gallon for this stuff, and I can make endless supplies. Sign me up. So this comes with it as well. So this kit, or you can get the kit with the whole house water system as well. And when you do that, you're qualified for our affiliate program, and then you get to start the program in January. So I'd love to coach you. Love to help you wherever you're at, anywhere in the world. Guys, we got a great compensation plan. We got great people behind the scene, and we'd love to have you come in. So here's our bundle pack, and welcome to the new year and the new you, and we'll see you soon in the next video.